everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with my Saturday Boxycharm Premium unboxing. Sorry, I had to think about that for a second. I've kind of been out of it for the past week. I've been struggling with migraines, so I apologize, but trying to get back on track with a Saturday unboxing. I'm very impressed that I have my Boxycharm Premium already. As always, my dogs are making an appearance, so I apologize. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I typically do unboxings, try-ons, a What's New Wednesday. Please consider subscribing. It would help me tremendously. Without any more chat, I'm going to go ahead and jump into my premium Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. So the month of, July, sorry, the premium box was the collaboration with ABH, which I did really enjoy. I got quite a few makeup products that I could really use. My premium box for the month of August, the theme is, there is the card right there, the theme is Go All Out. And so the premium is $35. You are supposed to get, I forget the exact amount, but I think over $200 in value for all of the products. You are supposed to get full-size products. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this box. I did take a look at it already, and I will kind of give you my perspective. So my first product here is this Laris Beauty Face Disc. Wipe away your day with the alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable it contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft, plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of application. Retail value $24. I have seen some people put toners on with it. I've even seen some people try and put makeup on with it. So let me know if that's something that you want me to try. I am interested in that. They are nice and soft, and I do use something similar I actually got off of Amazon, which is kind of similar to the Face Halo. I do really try and avoid makeup wipes. So I will use these, and I don't think they're a bad product at all. You get all three in the package. I do prefer, and so there are different textures. So the black one is a little more fluffy, the gray one is a little shorter fiber, and the white one is kind of in between the gray and the black as far as length of fiber and softness. And we'll come to that all at the end. The next product that I have in here is the Zoeva, and so this is the Zoeva Powerful Lip Twist. Retail value $14. It is supposed to be moisturizing because it has raspberry stem cells in it, and it is supposed to be extremely adherent, never dry, always comfortable, and a very thin layer, so it feels thin in. I have the color Phoebe right there at the top. Sorry, I had a hard time reading that. I do like Zoeva products. I have tried a couple of them, so this is not my first one. I do enjoy them. Let's see what color this actually looks like. There is the packaging. You can see the color on the end there. Ooh, I do really like the packaging, that very nude, sleek packaging, and so I am going to go ahead and swatch it right there on my hand. That is a beautiful rose color. It kind of a brownie nude rose. I actually really like that. Very smooth. It does feel very thin. I will be interested to see how long it lasts. They do say you can kind of shade with this pencil. That's why they make it a little bigger tip. So you can go and do that ombre lip or that shade where you do a little bit darker and lighter in the middle, or vice versa. So definitely something I will try and I do like. The next product that I see in here is Rainforest Mist Flawless Finish Hair Spray by Vior. And so this is Vior Hair Care. Discover the magic in this mist with optimal light to medium hold and non-residue superfine style. It casts an aromatic spell that doubles as hair perfume to boot. A non-aerosol formula that makes traditional hairsprays terrible. You can use after hot tools and let your hair's natural movement come alive. Retail value $25. We are going to go ahead and spray this because I'm interested to see, number one, what kind of sprayer it is. Ooh. Oh, it does smell like a perfume. I do have to say that. It actually smells really good. It sprayed some on my Boxycharm box, and it doesn't feel really sticky like some hairsprays are. I might be a little excited to try this product. I don't use hairspray that often. I just don't feel like I need it, so I'm interested to see how that goes. The next product is this Wistful Honey Balm. And so this is a honey balm jelly moisturizer. A luxurious textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and smooth skin. Honey has been found to be a very great product for the skin. Not only is it antibacterial and helps with all of those things, but it also is very, very moisturizing. It says the addition of turmeric, which helps with inflammation. Turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. $48 is the amount. I do think that's a little much for that. I will warn you, with all of those scents, before I even open it up, I do know that there are some people that are sensitive to scents and sensitive to essential oils. With lavender in there as the smell, as well as turmeric root, you do have to be careful. And it smells like lavender. I love lavender. I actually think it is wonderful, especially at night, to help relax. I'm going to go ahead and put it right next to here. So there is the jelly balm moisturizer thing without anything. I'm going to go ahead and rub it in. It is kind of a purpley tinge. That's interesting. It is very, very thick, very emollient. That was far too much for that little spot, I will tell you that now. Oh, and it smells like lavender. I love lavender. That's one of my favorite smells. It is very relaxing to me. I actually use a lavender essential oil at night on my pulse points to kind of help me relax and calm down. So I am looking forward to using this, right? I do wish, so already we've gotten 3 skincare products and only 1 makeup product. As always, and I do understand some people really like skincare. On all of my things for Boxycharm, it says I prefer makeup. I prefer makeup. I prefer makeup. That's just me. I know lots of people want skincare. I don't. That's what's on my quiz. That's what I do in all of my feedbacks that I do every month when I rate my boxes. I want makeup. And yet every month I get less and less makeup, particularly in the premium box, which I don't understand. My next product is another skincare product. This is a tool, L&W Bio. This is the Lux and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. This will help you achieve post-facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your favorite serum or moisturizer to maintain the results of your skincare routine. $79.99. It does not come with a battery. You have to provide your own AA battery in there. Certainly, you guys know I am all about the rose quartz. I think it's great. However, for me, products like this, well, they do feel good, and if that's something that helps you in your skincare routine, all go for it. I use a gua sha with my skincare routine, so this is not something that I'll use. I will put this in my giveaway. I still am waiting to get to 35 for my giveaway. So there is the product itself. It has that nice disc head that you can massage your serums in with. This whole thing will be vibrating. You'll put the battery right in there in the end. So I'll put this in my giveaway for whoever wants it. But again, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of my 6 skincare. My next product in here is the Vesca Moonlit Dream Cream Shadow. It's an ultra creamy gel shadow that delivers a budge-proof luminous sheen to the lids. Retail value $28. This is in the shade I have no idea. Let's open it up and see. Oh, that's an interesting tube. I was thinking it was going to be one of those doe foot applicators, and it is not. It's almost like a lip balm. So Moonlit Dream, I am going to go ahead and put it on this hand since I have so much on this hand already. We're just going to squeeze out just a little bit right there. And let's go ahead and, wow, that's definitely not what I expected. You can see that is beautiful, very, very shiny. In person, it looks more pinky, but I know on the camera it's kind of sheening between two colors, kind of a silver and a rose gold. It really is beautiful. It does go on super easy. It blended out very, very quick. It is already dry though, so I would recommend if you're going to use this, you only use it at one eye on a time. One eye at a time, just so you don't get in a pinch or in a pickle with having it on both eyes and trying to work super, super quick. But it is beautiful. I'll be interested to see if this really is budge proof or not. Love to try it. I do actually kind of like the applicator like this because you can put it on your hand and then apply it with a brush or with your finger versus doe foot and getting too much on there. I think that this kind of a applicator gives you a little more control, which I do like. I do think that's beautiful. You could even use this as a highlighter if you wanted. I absolutely think that that would work because it is just stunning. Fully dry, you can see it's not going anywhere. That's impressive. So the two products that I got that were makeup, I do really like. I'm excited. I do definitely wish I got a little more makeup in my box, but two products I really enjoy. I'm excited to try this. I absolutely always can use this because, again, save the planet, like it. That Moonlit Balm, I'll be interested to try, particularly at night. Although I do have a skincare routine where I really am trying to use retinol to particularly work on some of these wrinkles that I see coming, so not sure how I'll incorporate that. And then, of course, like I said, this I will put in my giveaway, so please subscribe. We'll enter when we get to 50, and I'll do a big giveaway. Let me know what you guys are interested in trying. What do you want to see? Do you guys want to see me try and apply makeup with those little face pads that we got? What are you guys super excited about in your Boxycharm box? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.